first I come on, person?
Yeah, the first one come up so. Mama, sit down now.
You want to sit down?
Alright, I know why we're here, you know.
No, I'm me, Kerry here. I'm me, Kerry here, but sound like you have something to tell me.
Yeah, I have something to tell you, but I really want to talk about my mother.
Your mother is a problem, you know, man.
That I realize that you uncomfortable with the situation.
She don't know how very uncomfortable for your mother make me feel like I'm a thief, like I'm a criminal.
But talk to her about everything.
So why she make me feel like this? Why she's doing this to me? It's not because I am not working in such a way where I can actually move you out and make you live in one place.
You touch the basic topic right now. She wants you to move out of the house.
She wants to come out?
And through you not work, it'll be a problem. And I may have to help her with the finances in the house.
Cha-cha.
Because
she remember when she buy her enough ice cream. She remember when she had chicken back alone she had eat and I said, no miss, make me go buy us 3 pounds of fish and fries. She remember them something there? She remember the time when light cut off and me have to walk my way go down, go get the light put on because no tax now run. No tax never run. When me no need to get ignorant, she even understand herself.
I understand my talk.
When the partner lady when never give her the money and me have to go down and go bother the people them. Eh? And they fling big stone off of me and the dog run off of me and all these things. And because I lick the dog with the stone, then want to carry me go to court. When she make me go down there. And if she understands something, she don't remember them things, not true?
I talk to her, but it's just that, I don't know. She just want you to come out of the house. I don't want you to go because I love you.
You know you love me and I know it's all about me and you. But she is a big problem. And she caused me to think all kind of something. For a fine place we go cool out. So I always try to find a little spot. Which day make me find myself at one place where different from you. So.
Alright, you want me and you go on the road to try to get a work for you?
My things won't come true, you know. My things won't come true. And a cash spot me I buy and a lot of me I wait for. My things won't come true. And it's not a dream I have neither. Because I work on it. And because I never get my certificate in school, I have to wait for certain things.
And that's the next thing. She said I have my education and I take up you and all of this and all of that. I don't like them something there and it's only going to make me feel uncomfortable. You want me to sit down with you and mommy together?
Yeah man, that can't work. You want hell broke loose. Listen, and the graveyard when I back it up with them creep show.
Just listen to me now. We are in a relationship and she's my mother. But I forget this start.
And me and you in a relationship and she's your mother. It cannot work out with the three of us. It's not 3, it's 2. So I don't understand why you talk about 3. She need to find a man and go come out of a relationship. She want to take your life and use it as hers, as a reflection. She will find a life, man. But I know say most of it upon my shoulder because we need to come out of our place. We need to find a place. Matter of fact, the nice mood when I come up and suffer, because I hear your mother name, it break it. So, might as well just come go off your yard.
We are going home.
Come. Me hear this woman here stress me out top nose and skirt.
Watch out. I see you sit down. Every time you hear an argument, you walk away. Are you me I talk to you now?
Nice argument, lady. Man, walk your thumb from out of the house and left you in there. You don't come back in the house, man.
Me I talk to you, walk come out here, so?
I walk, I breeze you. Breeze me now. Cause every time something go on, every time you feel away, you just feel like you just come cuss me. You cuss me for? You just always argue. Stop arguing now. I left from work stressed. Come home to my woman and look a peace of mind. And at this I come home to. Yo, can't bother with this, you know, man.
I just want to know who named Stacy, you know.
Here you are again. Every single day is something. You mean by what you want to know? Stacy is just my co-worker.
And I call so?
But we discuss business is that type of work we do. We have to communicate with each other in order for close businesses. That's why she calls me.
Late at night?
She don't call me no late. I don't understand why you think 10 o'clock is very late. 10 o'clock is not that late.
Work time done for 9.
Look here now. Please, just understand what I'm saying to you. You're my woman. I not cheat on you. I not do nothing wrong. You are my woman. Stacy is my co-worker. Please, just understand that now. Try not to start.
Every day I get up about Stacy, your co-worker. Every day I want to I wash, cook, clean. And you're there about Stacy. How me never met Stacy yet?
You want to meet my co-worker them for? Just stay away. Just, baby girl. You're my woman for a reason, you know. I don't want them to worry about certain little things. Stacy's just a co-worker, as I tell you. These are people I'm associated with. I don't do nothing, baby girl. I'm a woman. I not cheat. I not do nothing wrong. I love you.
Oh dear, Stacy. I want to meet Stacy.
What you know? You want to meet Stacy? Dear Father God.
I want to have to meet Stacy.
I'm going to tell Stacy about you, you know. I'm going to tell Stacy about you. Hello. Where you go with my umbrella?
Control the man and tell him so me borrow the umbrella, so no ask him.
What kind of styling thing this? So you make your sister talk to me? You see all them disrespect you? Yo. See all them something and start. Yo, you better say you go back all inside, no man.
You tell her, say, all me depend on Stacy, you know. All me depend is Stacy.
You know, can't do this, man. I'm going to clear my head, you know.
I feel hear about Stacy tonight.
Everything I Stacy, everything
I
is a problem. Everything you tell me is a problem.
Don't see, man. You can't turn the swinging gate like I say a fair gate. Here, papi off.
Every day, man, blouse and skirt, get up and come home to this. Can I start? Yo, more I just feel like I'm for the by myself, you know. I never see where this is going, you know.
Yes, Mr. Gray. We finished cut the yard now. So you can come pay me now. Yeah, man. Everything as you wanted it, sir. Yes, boss. It was me alone, no, so it was two of us. Next one gone home with the equipment, them. Somebody will pay the money. And as you know, sun is very hot, sir. Yes. Yes, boss. All right. Yeah, man. Cool. Yes, boss. Yeah. Oh, Jesus.
Yeah, man. Them a nastiness say you love. Them a kind of nastiness say you love. I feel us. Eh? And I first me catch a piece of roadside, you know. Anyway, uno dirty man see people business place, especially where they cook. Uno go there and stretch out on a big old dirty.
Flowers. What's the matter with your flowers?
Why you piss on the people them place? Uno man too nasty. A matter of fact, you know some number that say uno man can't every man stay like summer uno. Let me tell you something. You see why me can't accept you as my son-in-law? You're too damn nasty. I don't know why my daughter never pick up a different man. We're clean. Cleanliness is next to godliness. Why you have to come piss on the people them land pan their house? And no fear. Same thing you do as me tell you all the while. I know first me catch you, you know. Every time uno walk about and see people business place, uno stretch out, uno sitting there and piss. Uno no know say it smell bad after a while.
Flowers, make you stay, flowers.
What you mean?
Flowers, make you stay. You know why I'm there, sir? You know how it tingle me. I'm gonna want piss in the man's house. Eh? Me piss on the wall. Me not say me right, but one for do piss in the open, piss in the place.
Public.
Eh? What the matter with your flowers? Everywhere you see me, you just a pick palm me, so. Eh?
Public.
Me I can.
Me can ask you something? Public.
Talk me there,
Me
listen
can
to you.
ask you something?
Ask me, man, up and go on.
You didn't know say you're nasty 100% plus tax. You're too damn nasty. Stop walk about and urinate on people house, urinate at people business place. You know, so the government, the Prime Minister must send out one law for all of uno where they walk and piss at people business place and pan people house. So not too out order. Piss after a while. Because every minute you piss now, and think you get to
So
but you get catch.
What election me for about
You
piss?
piss funny now and things say.
People like you, say you draw your jaws and piss a bush. You. People like you, shit a
Then
bush. too.
public, it better me go in at the bush when nobody can see me when no business
So me
place.
can't
no
go,
they
so me can't go and like say something wrong me I do. Yeah, me wrong, yes, for
Here
piss
you
and stuff,
again.
but me when have to do it at the time.
Me a go on like
Example-
you're wrong and then you say yes you're wrong. You're damn blasted wrong. You shouldn't urinate at the roadside pan people place. And stop walk and urinate at people business place. You're too out of order.
Flowers,
You're
go on
too
the flowers.
nasty.
Flowers,
The
go on
police
the
them feel
flowers.
locking up.
Flowers,
Don't call out my name.
So me have to take your cousin in your yard. Then me have to come and take a cousin a road. Eh?
You know why me have to cuss this on my yard?
Why flowers?
Eh?
Why?
The same thing you do in your yard, that the same thing you can do abroad. You walk and take off your drawers them all about. All of your drawers them. Every one of your underpants them and drop them all out for my daughter take
I
them
say
out.
you wash me underpants. You
And-
wash me underpants them.
So why you have it there in the house and they take off your underwear and not fling them down all over the
I
place
don't
public?
fling down anything around the place.
So
If
you
I,
what you do? Take them off, give me that and my daughter fling them down?
when me bed, me use me brief and bed. So me use me brief and
See,
bed,
the
me
big
hang up
old
it.
dopey like you don't have one rag. You don't even have a rag. You big man, I
When you
use
move
brief bed.
When me move in my own house, me will have me rag. Thank you very much, flowers.
Such
You
what
finish?
people all saying that you feel
Flowers, you
brief.
finish flowers?
Then public the way you boast me, I know say you wear brief still. Me think I underpants you wear.
You don't worry about that. You have no business right there, so that I probably would use so fast.
Look
that
how you
business.
big and walkless
Eh?
and stink and come rink with me. Eh? You take off your dirty cheesy socks them and dash them all underneath the bed. You're nasty rich and know me come catch up on roadside for the second time and walk on peace. You know what? I want the whole community to hear. Public I walk on peace of people business place and pan people also too nasty dirty boy. Me I go and go tell me that if you left your drunk crow.
Mommy, I'm not tired.
Poochie, you know the reason why I'm bringing you here, so?
Is something wrong?
Whole heap of things wrong. Your man me come to talk to you about.
What him do?
In the whole heap of things when I write. Number one, he's not working. From him come on me yard. From that man come on me yard. He don't have a job. He name out everything when me have.
But mommy, me help you with financial wise. Everything me help you with. So what the problem?
Poochie, you need to rewind and come back again. You see little money where you give me? Say for help, whatever. Me am good take it because you're my daughter. I know you don't have it.
But I'm gonna get a work soon, mommy. Just make
Get
up.
a work. All your life you do with this damn blasted lazy man. We come and tell you how him get job and then soon call him. Poochie, I want contract him get. And him nah bother get that they work there. Somebody else get the contract. Because then call him for do an interview. And he fail the interview. Him no know if he answer question. Him not have no reasonability.
But,
Him can't hold a proper
mommy,
conversation.
listen,
That's why you're
it's
not learning.
more
That's why you
than-
go pick up your crosses, you know. Because when
Mommy.
me I talk to you from your lily, so you they talk while me I talk. You need
Mommy,
to listen.
can go look different work, you know?
Yes, he can, but him not doing it. That's the point. Right there, so him not do it. He's not going to look at job because he's depending on your mama. Because he knows so when me provide me with him little something for him, he can't live so. Him a big man and he's not a child and I'm my son. You understand that? You understand the part
Yeah,
there?
me I go talk to him. Can't just run him out of the house like that.
Me not go run him out right now. But me about to. Me no know when, but me know say it go happen soon. Because I don't want no lazy man around me. I suffer too much in life with you. To bring you up.
That's
Send you to school and you come take up one lazy bastard and bring him to my house when you should have help you figure build a roof over your head.
It's not like I don't have any education. And
You have education and you work list with you. Why you don't find yourself a job?
me
You
wo-
ain't another
so me
one.
no work
That the
and-
job the way you do not paying you. The education them you have. Look how much subject you come out of school with. And you're going to do some little kiss me as fool work. You fi find yourself a job where suit you. Look how you're nice and pretty. Me no send you to school if you go work for you. Not all you know, you is not Ali Button, you is my daughter, me not disrespect you, but me have to talk to you like this sometime. For you get in your head say, you no need to take up one work list man around you. Because the little money where you work you want if you save. If you open up your own business when me and did that talk about.
Mommy, listen. You always a deal with him harsh. Me not
Harsh?
like that.
Really harsh? You tell us if you make sure you pick up one man
Hold on,
here
me
where
phone not-
responsible and can work to sustain you.
My phone all
You think
ring.
separation easy and poverty a sin? You want to live in a sin forever? Eh? You want to live poverty life forever? JPS come cut off your light, water commission come cut off your
Mommy,
water.
you behave like I'm not helping you.
Help me? Me I tell you say you help me, but if him never did it, waiting lazy self and nyam down the house like a chichi, you woulda can afford to give me more. But me know you have to buy clothes game, you have to up to toothpaste, you have to buy this big old lazy man and he's not a child.
Hold on, my phone a ring.
How would I call you? The big old dirty lazy man we have in my house? When need to go find himself a job?
You want to talk to him?
Me? Never.
Jesus.
Lazy man you love, you soon know a lazy man will do to you. Who you?
Hello? Honey, me soon call her back. Just give me a couple minutes. Me soon come home. Mommy, hold on now. Wait now.
Stress out, man. Sorry, I never see my boss. Sorry. You alright, man? Stress out, I swear. Oh, you're stressed out? Brother, me and I want to chat my business, but I swear. Boss, the woman a pressure me, the woman. Yeah, man, international woman. Every day she nag me. She keep on a talk about this woman from work named Stacy. And all me I tell her, she not believe me. She me love and she want me want. Why me I tell her, I don't know what else to do to convince a woman if I tell a woman I say, me nah go nowhere, me nah do nothing, star. Yo, come and share your vibes. Share your vibes. Share no star. General, I don't know you, but I know exactly where I go through.
I don't think you know where I go through. Unless you have a woman like me in my yard, I don't think you know where I go through.
So she had to text me right now. Let me tell her this, man. You see, when you come on to freedom, that me not have. You see, when you come on to trust, me not have that neither. And me I say to myself, say, there's no way she feel like say she can't trust me. Brother, today, if you know what happened today, no.
Yo, you know say, I move, come here.
You move, come here.
Yeah. You come from boy.
Come like in my brain right now and tell me exactly what I go on, bro. Yo, I'm say I transfer me, I get transfer, you know. To make sure everything can work out with this family, you know. You understand me? I say, yeah man, my work done as now because of she. And it just come like a waste of time. Can't, yo.
Fractal, man.
Jesus Christ.
Fractal, my father can come right which one they right now. So you say, what they hide him?
For my birth paper, them call me Roy Jones. But you don't know, say, my alias is Publik.
Public. Georgia. LG, my name still, you know?
LG.
Yeah, man.
Manners, man.
Yo, bless up yourself, man.
Bless up, man. Bless up.
So, basically, we two are there for the same reasons.
Same reason, and brother, I tell you, as I say every day, me what I say, so.
What a strange coincidence, man.
I tell you. But it's like the first day you really take a walk down there, so.
No, man, she, my woman Sash and her sister, that look a long galling neck girl there.
One little short red girl, or Brownish little girl.
She's not so sharp, but she brown, man. Look like I sitting there dead for hungry. Sitting
Feisty.
Girl feisty, see, man.
She come in there
like
and
her,
shop with...
Like her piss can blouse and skirt. Girl rank.
Well,
like
man.
it's still a piss bed.
The little girl come in there and shop which day there. And me end up, to be honest, me never see a she there in like right at the corner. Cause you know them shop they stay when you walk in and she there behind the door. Cause obviously she wanna hide from the sun.
Yes.
Me post here, me go in and just walk in and me I say, serve, give me one box drinks there. It's a girl that go say, you not see me? Eh? Big man, you not see me? I piss out a chimney. And me I say to myself, say, why this girl wouldn't say this to me like me and she stop somewhere?
She see a man. No brought up see no manners, you know.
How tall the man?
Brown and lit, black like our.
Sin
Burn me for him.
Rough, but you may say still because it get little later normally. I tell them masculine, them rough, don't I say no? And them say,
tell her to just
exactly, and them time when they start. So what we have to do is, yo, we keep the link, man. LG.
Yeah, man.
Big up yourself, you know.
I know, based on my trend, I know I'm going to back here tomorrow, you know. Yeah, man. That woman there for her mouth and for her star, and she always know to say the wrong thing to trigger me, to push me out of the house.
After them stay, man. A woman that you know.
I come home for peace and quiet, for loving and care. She give me his headache.
Yo, brother, the only time the woman is nice, you know, upon her birthday, upon her, like say, her mother's birthday, because she take care of her mother's birthday, and Valentine's Day. Anytime I something, she gets something.
Yeah, man, I know.
Best of the best.
I see that trend, man. I see that trend of a true, brother. It's like,
her birthday come up now still, so you can expect one good day out of a year. What left?
You sure say you're a girl and my girl and a sister?
Nothing my sister.
Yet,
and one blood.
So how you know them not linked?
Because you know, every woman in that lane there in a link, you know. But just that we don't pay attention. Because as I see Sash and female woman having conversation already. You understand? Yeah, man. She ain't gonna close one time and female woman come out and the conversation start and yeah. They know each other, man. But like me say, I tell you rough. I'm go out, working. I chew me. Never feel too good. I'm take a like a sick leave because they wanna drive me crazy, man. Stress. So I take a little sick leave and say I just ease off myself a little bit and see me now.
Sure.
So because I can't go to work, I come down and come easy myself. 1 week of this.
Feel the pain, my brother. I feel the pain.
Yeah, man, it's rough, man. What I say? I mask that time now. So, LG.
Yo.
Road, you know. See?
Yeah, man. You know what? Me just found out the day before me, so I want to go and hold it off until
a
few more minutes. Yeah, man.
Angled. Yes, sir.
Strangest feeling I'm feeling.
Can you put this in now?
Can't get a minute. Me in the house and me talk and you cuss me and you create a problem about every little thing. Me don't understand. Me can't get a time for myself. Just a minute.
You chop out the
Me go chop it.
Let me chop out something.
Is that me chop it jelly? Chop it like a full jelly. Because me don't know if you can chop the same thing. You see me can chop jelly? Me a chop a coconut. Me a chop your coconut. Me a chop your coconut. Me a chop your friggin'. Me a chop your coconut.
Hello. What kind of nice this over here, so? Every time me come here, so I pay argument. What we not quarrel about again?
Why we can't have a time for ourselves? We are a couple, we can't cuss by ourselves.
The amount of time I give you with my daughter, I should live a better life than this.
We are living a good life.
I see a problem, I can't take it, you know.
You know how me reach up here, so? The next door neighbor them call me. On my phone and tell me so they can't know peace. Every day you know over here they walk.
No, nothing like that. It's only when you walk in problems start. And guess what the problem is? This morning when you leave, right? I don't know where you leave, God. I must some good leaf you eat or something or something of some sort. Because you always put your mouth in a food business. And when you talk certain things, it just manifests. Like a goat mouth you have. You name leaf a road?
Who you think? Who you think you be? If you ask me when me and Nyam from when me not eat. If you win and Nyam leave, your skin would look better. And you'd have some knowledge in your head to treat your woman good. A matter of fact, you see, anytime you grow up like pig, you have a piggish mentality. Anytime you treat your woman, so someone used to treat your woman. You see how long me they tell you to left that little dirty foot boy, but you're not here. Rough pocket man your life.
Mommy, why we can't just have some understanding in this?
Understanding? You cannot gain understanding until you have wisdom and knowledge. Where are you going to get that from? Eh? Them are hypocrite where they trick you and tell you say they love you.
Every day.
And you say you love. Eh, what kind of?
Yeah, chop out this something.
I really want coconut in the chop out for you. And the two on over here for they argue. So for your hand left in for your mother. You can't do it yourself.
Mommy, how me I go chop out that? How me I go chop out that?
You're not a child, you know. You're a big woman, you're adult. You're supposed to know to use machete. What is the problem? You don't know machete to use? Eh? And machete that. Some people call it machete, some say machete. What you call it, it no matter if you even know the name. You have to learn to do something for yourself. I see all along me they want you when you're younger. So you have to learn to cook, wash and clean.
I can't cook, wash and clean, but I can't cut
you
block out
can't
that.
even cut out one coconut. Look
Every
at you.
day I see him think, yo, sometimes I just, yo.
I run me if you run you out here, your man. Because look how you can't argue with me now because me they put you on the right track. And you can't even wash your drawers good.
Yeah, because him and then you turn on for
Yes,
me.
because me want you to have sense and you don't have any. What you plan to do
mommy.
with him? Mommy what? Talk, explain yourself.
What you want me to do? Tell me what you want.
Me? When me want you to do?
Yeah, I'm a mother, you know.
Let me tell you what me want you to do. You want me to tell you don't?
What you want me to do?
Me need you to stop turn yourself into some big jackass and grow some sense in your big head.
You know
Because you act like a fool.
I'm a girl.
Idiot. Okay, you don't want the coconut. You know but I want it. So you're ignorant just like a fool, you know much. I will drink it. No, alright. I mean, I want him to do nothing for me. Oi. I want to talk to your friend the other day, you know. You little nosy neighbor. Why you so nosy and up in a for me and for me family them business? When me they cook, what the center for do with you? If me they cook curry, you know. If I brunch, you know. If me they deep fry, you know. What else you don't know about me?
Look here, miss. You don't see how close on my house that to feel one. So anything I go on in the house, you must have to hear.
Come here. You see that wash belly where me have? The other day, me hang out her panty them panty line. And when me go out there, remember when me they wash them, I did about 13 or 12. And when me go back out there, them missing. I end up take up about 5 of them. 5. And me pick the panty them. And somebody tell me, say somebody from over your yard come take them off my line. So for your little cousin and no jazz.
Look here, nobody ever my yard and no thief. And first of all, I be a hole in your picnic panty them. You not buy a good panty for your picnic them.
No man. Leila, one over there forgot to stand up because this I get serious. Come for your drinks, baby. Come for your drinks. Okay, one go stand up over there, so. What you say?
You're deaf.
Yes, me no hear. Would I really love for you to tell me again because if you told me no want my picnic go drop a ground. What you just say? My picnic drawers have hole in there. Yes! You're damn right. Because you turn and scorn your mouth, crutches. I'm hungry, the whole of over there, they're dead for hungry. I'm tired to take out my things them and give you. You remember said the last time you come ask me for half an onion, fish with your workless little girl.
Hello, no, you got me fired.
What you mean?
Don't do that.
And you and your dirty sister. We cock up over there, they listen to people business. You know some little nosy parker, love poke on the nose in other neighbor business. If me shit uno know. If me body uno know. Little girl, tell your sister say me say fi come out of my business. And me get one little news, you know. One little news bugger grown come pitch me the other day and pinch me and tell me say your sister they hide and beg me man money. It look like she want him. Well tell your sister say me flowers. Me not joke with my man. You see, if she a go ask my man for something, she need to ask my man for whatever she want in front of me. Make me know say I no look she a look my man coming up play with my man. When he come on to my man, no girl no fit hide and beg him nothing. Because me know some girl stay, then care news from people, care news from woman to woman man. Because contention, true they want break up the relationship, but me we done her.
If my sister do want your man, she would have take your man.
No man, you know what I'm saying? Ah, Jesus Christ!
Babes! Baby!
How go on?
Don't touch me.
So, babe, suffer, baby. Come home from a hard day's work. Can't come get some loving from my wife.
Which loving?
Me, my would you loving? Say, I did, what am I do now? What am I do?
Stacy, me still want to know about Stacy.
Jesus Christ, Almighty God. What about Stacy, son? Why you not just upset? Just leave Stacy out of this now. And me, and your man. Make your man just talk to the baby, your mom.
When me know about Stacy, me have to know about Stacy.
And listen, man. You push me away, babes. Why you push me away for? Just love me now. Left Stacy out of this, now Stacy having business with we right now.
And Stacy I call so often.
I told you before, babes. It's the co-worker. She called me for deal with work matters. That is work. This is me and relationship. How we deal with this now? What this thing, Father God? What am I for do? What am I for do?
Wow, Stacy.
Yes.
You see when me get solid information about Stacy, then me and you go alright.
So you say shop lock?
Lock.
My man come from work and want look. Yeah, I'll see how them something, yeah, man. Gotta make them find me so hard. God no, Father. Oh, my burden them so heavy. What me do to people, Father? Father, you give me a wife, Father. You tell me say I'm going to love and cherish my wife, Father God.
Brother,
Wife.
brother. The can is so close to something, man. Come in, man. What going on with you? Eh?
Public.
Does that get worse?
Public, I swear to God, brother. I know it makes sense. Sometimes just, yo.
Well, we'll see. Because come like a few seats and now to post here.
Brother, same old shit, just a different day.
Can
We
imagine.
can't do this. You know what I go do a while ago? You know? I swear I don't know what I go do a while ago.
Yo, hear me, sister. See? You see, at the end of the day, we are going like say, that is the life that God will give you for suffer. And not suffer, we come for suffer. See? So take my stupid idea. You see them right now, them in the house and happy, you know. Them a call your phone? Eh?
Let me turn off my phone now.
They now check point. Alright, so when you do turn on your phone, you must miss call yourself for now.
I'm not seeing miss call,
Exactly,
nobody
so they
don't
not
care.
that me I say, man. Yo, go enjoy yourself. Go out and bar, drink 2 beer or something and enjoy yourself. That me I tell you.
You know, I feel like that is a good idea.
Yes, man.
This alone, nah, do it, you know.
Rum is the word, you know, bro.
Peace and peace.
Rum come from a high place. You know the first miracle that was created?
Which one?
And turn the water into wine. So, you have to create the first miracle and see how it go. Take it from there. You understand me I said to you? And nothing bad me I telling you. But just I tell you tough stuff to make you know so we have to ease your mind at some way, somehow.
That's not true.
You go to church? If you don't go to church, you know, we have to go to rum bar.
Then which bar you have in mind?
You ready?
Right now.
You ready?
Anything in the
Yo,
brother.
come in, man. We got a nice spot, man. We start from this. Yo, when you eat. Just come in.
Man, I'm curfew, you know.
We not no curfew. Come here. Come on, do the thing again. Touch.
Ready?
You see me good?
Mm-hmm.
My head now cut off.
Mm-hmm.
Come
I told you, I must say it all.
See, I forget to tell you, you shine like a chat do off.
Come here, see what also.
Me almost tall like a public, you know, so I could have turned up here so public make you see me. I'm a little bit maybe tall.
This is good, this is good. This is
Yeah,
African.
see me good? That means say you
Me must good.
must can see you good enough.
Come. So touch me for me.
Yeah, me head cut off.
Yeah, no, I'm sorry, sir.
Yeah, alright.
Ready now? Before I take it from
You
me.
feel look for me like you astonished yourself.
Ready?
Why you piss on the people them place?
If you come and take a course on a road, eh? That don't make no sense
You know why
for
me
us.
have to cuss you on me yard?
What do you mean, say why you have to
Because
cuss
you
me?
take off your dress.
Oh, the flesh! Eat the flesh!
Nobody not take
No, why you put in there? Good there.
Smile the flesh! Well, watch out, watch out.
I'm not going there, grass.
A grass.
No dog shit. If
You
I
go in
dog
there,
shit, now you put
problem.
come side of me, no girl.
Ready?
I wish me step in that at 32.
You ain't happy?